Imagine standing in the middle of a vast golden field that stretches as far as the eye can see. Sunflowers everywhere, their bright yellow petals reaching eagerly toward the sky, soaking up the sunlight like little solar panels. It's an absolutely breathtaking sight, isn't it? You might even feel a little awe just looking at all those flowers swaying gently in the breeze, each one proudly standing tall as if competing to see who can soak up the most sun. But beneath all that stunning yellow beauty lies something even more incredible. Tiny, nutrient-rich seeds that hold the secret to turning this sunny scene into one of the most beloved cooking oils in the world. Now, these sunflower seeds aren't just any seeds. Inside each one lies a treasure trove of nutrients and oils that, when carefully extracted, become what many consider liquid gold in kitchens everywhere. And the best part, the journey from those humble little seeds to the clear golden cooking oil that sizzles in pans and drizzles over salads is nothing short of fascinating. It's a delicate dance between the raw power of nature and the precision of modern technology. But how does this all begin? How do these little seeds hidden inside those big yellow flowers become the pure sunflower oil we pour into our recipes? Let's take a closer look at how this amazing transformation happens, starting right in the fields. As summer draws to a close and early fall arrives, the sunflower fields undergo a significant transformation. The sunflowers that once displayed bright, vibrant petals begin to change noticeably. Those yellow petals, once lively and radiant, gradually fall away, leaving behind drooping flower heads with a dry, rough appearance. It almost seems as if the flowers are retreating from the sun. But in truth, this signals that the seeds inside have matured. The backs of the flower heads turn brown and dry, indicating the seeds have hardened and fully developed, ready for harvest. It's fascinating to see how nature has its own perfect timing. The transformation of the sunflower from vibrant bloom to heavy seed-filled head feels like a natural countdown. Farmers watch these changes closely because the quality of the seeds depends heavily on harvesting at just the right moment. If the seeds are taken too soon, they won't have the full flavor or oil content. Wait too long and the seeds might start to fall off or lose their nutritional value. Those heavy, drooping flower heads almost seem like they're bowing down, weighted by the bounty they carry inside. It's a quiet sign of the sunflower's generosity before the seeds are collected and sent off to begin their new journey. This moment is critical because it tells the farmers exactly when to start harvesting. The timing has to be just right. Too early, and the seeds won't be mature enough. Too late, and they might begin to lose their quality. So when those flower heads hang heavy and dry, it's the green light to get to work. Harvesting sunflower seeds from massive fields could be an enormous, exhausting task if done by hand. Thankfully, modern agriculture has specialized machines built for this very purpose. These harvesters are real game changers. They can cut the sunflowers, collect the seeds, and separate them from the flower heads, all in one smooth, continuous process. Think of it as a giant, super efficient vacuum cleaner specifically designed for sunflowers. This method not only saves a huge amount of time, but also helps reduce the number of seeds lost during the process, which is crucial for keeping production efficient and costs down. Once the seeds are harvested, they're not just left sitting in bags somewhere waiting for the next step. Freshness is key when it comes to sunflower seeds. So the moment they're gathered, the seeds are quickly transported to processing factories where their journey to becoming pure cooking oil really begins. This fast turnaround helps keep the seeds as fresh as possible, preserving their natural oils and flavors before any processing starts. Imagine those tiny seeds packed with so much potential. Every minute counts to make sure they don't lose their goodness. The transportation process itself is carefully managed to avoid any damage. The seeds are handled gently to prevent cracking or bruising, because even a small break in the seed structure can affect the quality of the oil later on. Once they arrive at the factory, the seeds are immediately prepped for cleaning. So dirt, dust, and any leftover bits of the sunflower heads get removed. This cleaning step is essential. It's like giving the seeds a fresh start, washing away everything that isn't needed so only the pure good stuff remains. Before any oil can be pressed out, these seeds have to be cleaned thoroughly. This step might seem simple, but it's super important. Imagine all the dirt, small stones, and leftover bits of shell that could be mixed in from the fields. The seeds go through a meticulous cleaning process designed to remove every single impurity. Nothing but clean, pristine seeds can move forward. This careful cleaning ensures that the final oil will be pure and free from any unwanted flavors or particles. After cleaning, the next big step is shelling. Sunflower seeds have a tough outer shell protecting the precious kernel inside. This shell has to be removed carefully without damaging the delicate inner seed. Shelling machines take on this job with rhythmic precision, peeling away the hard outer layer like an expert craftsman. It's almost mesmerizing to imagine those machines working, gently separating shell from kernel in a steady, repetitive dance. But even after shelling, the process isn't quite done. The kernels still need to be screened again to make sure no bits of shell or other debris remain. It's all about purity. Only the cleanest, highest quality kernels move to the next stage. Think of it like sorting through a treasure chest, carefully picking out anything that doesn't belong so what's left shines bright and perfect. This extra screening might sound simple, but it's crucial because even tiny shell fragments can affect the taste and quality of the oil. This attention to detail guarantees the oil extracted is as pure and flavorful as possible. Nobody wants cooking oil with bits of shell sneaking in or anything that might spoil its smoothness. The process also protects equipment. Removing debris prevents damage during pressing. These kernels, now spotless and refined, are truly ready for the next phase of their transformation. It's like a final polish before stepping onto the stage where they will reveal their golden potential. The factory staff take pride in this careful preparation, knowing the quality of the finished oil starts here with every cleaned kernel. Before the oil can be extracted, the kernels go through a gentle warming process. This step is really clever because it's designed to heat the kernels just enough to make the oil extraction easier. But there's a fine balance. Too much heat could ruin the flavor and strip away important nutrients. So the kernels are warmed just right, preserving their natural qualities while getting them ready for oil extraction. Then comes the real magic, pressing the kernels to extract the oil. The warmed kernels are fed into a specialized press, where powerful rollers apply pressure to squeeze out every last drop of golden oil. This pressing isn't rushed, it's a slow and steady process that helps preserve the oil's natural aroma and flavor. Picture those rollers working their way through, coaxing out the oil slowly to keep every drop pure and fragrant. Once the oil is pressed out, it's not immediately ready for the shelf. Before reaching consumers, the oil undergoes rigorous testing to ensure it's safe, healthy, and of the highest quality. Sensory experts evaluate the oil's taste, smell, and appearance to make sure it meets expectations. Meanwhile, scientists in the lab run thorough tests to analyze its chemical makeup, checking that it complies with safety and quality standards. This dual approach, using both human senses and lab technology, guarantees the oil is perfect for cooking. Depending on the intended product, some oils then go through a refining process. Refining can improve clarity, stability, and shelf life, but it also removes some of the natural flavors and nutrients. Alternatively, some oils are bottled as unrefined or cold-pressed, aimed at consumers who want a richer flavor and more nutrients in their cooking oil. After passing all these checks, the oil is carefully bottled and sealed. But the journey doesn't end there. The bottles travel down an automatic labeling line where every container gets its proper label. These labels provide all the essential information: brand name, ingredients, production date, expiry date, and quality certifications. This is important because it helps customers know exactly what they're buying and ensures transparency. Finally, the bottled oil is stored under ideal conditions, ready for distribution. From the factories, these golden bottles make their way to agents, supermarkets, and stores across the country, and even internationally. They end up in kitchens everywhere, ready to add their natural flavor and nutrition to family meals. Every drop of sunflower oil carries with it the story of that entire journey, from sunny fields full of towering flowers through meticulous cleaning and pressing to the sealed bottle on a supermarket shelf. It's a perfect example of how nature and technology work hand in hand to create something beautiful and useful. And when those golden drops hit the pan or salad bowl, it's a reminder of all the care, precision, and passion that goes into producing this staple ingredient. Sunflower oil isn't just another cooking oil, it's a healthy source of energy, packed with nutrients, light in flavor, and versatile enough for all kinds of dishes. So next time it's time to cook, remember the journey from seed to oil. It's a story as rich and golden as the oil itself.